think the crowd, Jonah, are going to need to get some sports drinks in after this game. It really is
I think a lot of them would be incredulous, Joey. It's a veritable feast.
Oh, that's a beautiful shot. You can see the determination on Nick Matthews' face there. That forehand volley of his, a narrow width by
14-13, game ball.
James Willstrop. Nick Matthew all over it, putting it in beautifully. Gives him first game ball here at 14-13.
Nearly perfect width.
Oh, that's it's absolute seesaw here. What you can do, I can do better in James Willstrop finishing front backhand.
14 all.
So 14 all, nothing between these two. One game all, 14 all.
Good variation of serve suddenly down the middle. That's got
oh,
in there.
What a wonderful game of squash from both players and James Willstrop.
15-14, game ball.
Getting another game ball at 15-14.
Opening. And again, an opening. Oh, God, dear me.
Stroke to...
I'm afraid so, Joey.
He was there.
Counter drop.
Stroke to Matthew, hand out.
Went for the straight one. It's so easy to say, to advise him on what to do there, but went for the straight, could have possibly played the counter or the little switch, but...
Yeah, could have faded it across the face of the front wall, well, but he went straight.
Under immense pressure there.
3 times he's had game ball and 3 times he's had a stroke given against him. So it's parity again, Joey. 1 game all, 15 all.
Well, I'm completely on the edge of my seat.
I think 7 game balls has he had, and Nick's had 1.
Yep. Going to be sitting on the floor soon at this rate.
Oh,
it's a beautiful finish. And you can see again how short the ball is falling now, and it gets even more exciting.
16-15, game ball.
We really have had 2 games of squash in this 3rd game at 16-15 to Nick Matthew, game ball. Beautiful work there, tight. Oh, again, James Willstrop uses the sidewall to great effect.
And out 16 all.